Hello everyone and welcome to another video. So today in this video we're taking a look at this. This is a set of 6 pieces of LR44 batteries and these are from Amazon Basics. Now, I'm not sure whether these are available at the moment or not, but about an year ago I bought these to install in my thermometers, digital thermometers such as this one and this one. As you can see, this one is currently running and this one has stopped working at the moment. Now you must be wondering where did the one battery go. So I am currently using one of the batteries in my microphone at the moment, the one that I'm using. As you can see, these types of microphone also use such batteries. So I installed one about an year ago in the microphone and it is still working. So the life of these batteries, not just from this particular company, any decent battery that you buy in the market will give you a decent lifespan. So as you can see, this is also I installed about more than a year ago and it is still displaying the temperature at the moment. So there is that. So let me just show you what is the lowest voltage on these batteries. I'm not sure whether this would be the lowest voltage or not, but this is the battery that I just took out from this thermometer. So let's measure the voltage of this battery, which is now not working. So 12 volt setting. Let me turn the light on. That should make us a little easier to see. So as you can see, the flat side on the battery is the plus side and the top side is the negative side. So let me just measure the voltage on this battery, put this on top of here. 0.6 volt. So the old battery, which is not working at all, is measuring 0.6 volt. So let me just take one battery out from the pack and see what is the battery rated here. And one thing I want to tell you is that these were manufactured in China, as you can see, and they were only supposed to be good before 2023. So they haven't got much time left on them. So we will see how long, what is the current voltage of these batteries. So they are a little difficult to get out. So let me just take this one out from here. So I've got it finally out. It was very difficult to get this out because this is very hard paperback. So let me get one out of the packaging and let's see what is the voltage on this new battery. There we go. So finally the battery got out of the packaging. And by the way, this is how the packaging look from the Amazon Basics LR44 batteries. You can see the voltage rated on them is about 1.5 volt. And when I first got them, I did measure the voltage when they were absolutely new. These are now 1 year old. So when I first got them, the voltage was about 1.57 volt. So let us see after 1 year of keeping them in my house, what is the current voltage now. So let me just put the new battery. Let me show you the battery, a little close up of the battery. You can see even the batteries have this Amazon Basics written on them. LR44 looks decent. Again, the plus is on the flat side, so let me just put that here, get my probes, and let us measure the voltage of this battery after 1 year. So as you can see, we've only lost about 0.01 volt. As I said, when I first got them, I measured the voltage of the batteries and they were 1.57 volt, and now these are 1.56 volt. So let me just open the thermometer. As you can see, it is not working at the moment. So let me just open this up, small notch there, and these are easy to install. The plus should be visible to us. As you can see, when I push that down, the temperature is visible and I can easily see how black that looks now that with the new battery. So let me just push that down, install the battery, the clip, this clip now. So the batteries are now installed, the temperature is visible. Let us check the probe. So I'm holding the probe in my hand and the temperature should now increase. Temperature is increasing and it is easily visible now. So the battery is now installed. Decent batteries. I've had this for more than a year now. I did install them in one of the microphone. This one is already running it, more than 1 year old now, and as you can see, it is still displaying the temperature. So decent batteries. I'm not recommending to get these particular ones. I think I paid about 150 rupees for a pack of 6. many other cheaper options are available, and that should work as good as these one. I'm not sure they are still available or not, but if these are not available, you can go with any other decent brand on the market. So there we go. This was my quick video on this Amazon Basics on the LR44 size batteries. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.